Difference between COM and DCOM. Component Object Model. COM Component Object Model was introduced by Microsoft in the year 1993. It is an interface standard designed for software components. It helps for the inter-process communication irrespective of the programming language to be used. COM is termed as a software architecture that allows systems to be built from the different software vendors. It is also called as a set of binary standards which helps in the creation of a dynamic object. COM can also be termed as the standard for the effective communication between the components. The benefits of using COM are it can be used with any programming language which is capable of creating objects and pointer. 2. Distributed Component Object Model (DCOM). The Distributed Component Object Model is specifically designed for distributed applications. Before DCOM was known as Network Only. The applications designed with COM was not able to serve the need of distributed computing. As a result, DCOM came into the picture. This supports the need in which the component needs to communicate across networked supported computers. The benefits of using are it provides distributed computing. It has a distributed garbage collector that enhances the CPU utilization. Basis of COM. DCOM. Abbreviation. Component Object Model. Execution on client-side environment.